So what we have here is a 2002 Chevy S10. This truck is going to see a hell of a beating. We're going to be pulling out everything other than the actual fuse blocks where all the gauges and headlights and whatnot work. But the AC, the motor, it's an inline 4. We're going to pull that out. It has a stick, pulling that out. This is going to be more like a burnout truck. It's actually a really solid start. It was a salvage vehicle. It's got decent paint on it. We're thinking about potentially vinyl wrapping it with the shop logo, replacing the headlights. You know, everything's here. It's a really nice car. For the burnout special, it's going to be kind of a secret setup. It's high cubic inch and supercharged. So hopefully it fits all in one. We're going to have some forward-facing headers that are going to pop out of probably the fender somewhere, or potentially even back here, whichever works. The inside of the car, of the truck.
You mind grabbing that side real quick?
It's pretty nice. It just needs a solid detail. We're going to keep the dash. Probably we're going to keep the passenger seat. All the interior functions will work, even though it's all roll-up windows. But I like to have like the turn signals and the steering column and everything, you know, functioning. If this ever does get registered. Just this nice single cab S10. There's not a lot of dings or dents. It's pretty solid body. We're gonna see what happens. The lightest hood I've ever taken off.
We're gonna put it on top. Look at the vinyl wrap to it. Scratch.
Yeah. I really wish that the inline 4 worked, but that didn't happen. So we would have blown it up on our own terms. But you know, what's kind of cool about these trucks is a lot of these years they're all controlled by the same computer that is good for LS swaps. So that's a valuable $50 fine. I just hope it fits, to be honest. The blower is probably going to come out to here. We'll find out.
Fuck it, since we taking all this shit apart, just toss that shit. Don't need it. All this shit. Oh. She's gonna be gutted. How's it looking? Fine and clear? Yep.
This is going to be pretty tight.